let's go. Doing chores.
It's strong.
I know, you're very strong.
Yes, I am.
Okay, you're not going to be able to get in the gate that way. Maybe you turn it. No. How do you get in before? There you go. You gotta lift it up though. Get it over that lip. There you go. Perfect.
Strong.
Okay. Now, where does it go?
And it's closet.
Show me how you do it.
We can do this. I can open your closet anything.
Oh, just to put that away though. That's the reason why you open the closet.
It doesn't go there.
Oh. Yeah, I think, yeah. You need to open the doors a little more, don't you? I think you're good.
Yes, I did it.
Fantastic.
I did
All right, show me how you finish up. Watch your fingers.
it.
We're-
I can live my purpose then.
Good job, buddy.
That was
High five.
a good one.
That was a close one.